Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file shop, and I am going to use this picture for inspiration, and this is my TeePee cut file from Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file shop. Now, the inspiration that I was taking, the challenge was over the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. And it was, I'm pulling it up here in a second here. Okay, so it was an image inspiration challenge. For the challenge, use the image below as the starting point for the layout. Perhaps the colors inspire you, or maybe it's the whimsical images because there's like a bunch of dragons and all this stuff on there. Perhaps the stories about the love of reading or some really fun text elements. Let's see what you can come up with. So I'm rolling right here. I haven't rolled in for like ever. But what my plan is for this layout is I am taking the color tones. So the color tones reminds me of Sparkle City. You could use Head in the Clouds. I decided to do Sparkle City here. And yes, I took a very busy paper and I cut the TeePee out and then I backed it with this purple because the purple obviously is a major focal point in this image inspiration. And I'm rolling that, getting that all ready to roll, and I'm rolling that part, and inside that section there, the TeePee where I rolled open the like curtains or doors or whatever is going to be my journaling. And I decided to, as well as glue down right there and then pop everything else up on foam tape, along with not even doing the TeePee part of it where the sticks stick out up on top. I left that as well. And so I did that part all off camera because there's no point of y'all watching me do that. Now, I start out doing 2 photos and then end up just having 1, which is fine. I did go and back up the files with, or back these photos up with the paper that I've already used. I'm going to tell you guys this. This is the first time I'm using this collection. I've had it this long in my stash and I have yet to use it. And honestly, I think I love Chamel's stuff. Do not get me wrong. Chamel's stuff is amazing. I love it. But I don't know what it is. I just never gravitated to this much. But this summer, a lot of the photos that I have of KJ will work for this collection. So I'm definitely going to be using this more often. And it's just something that I just haven't gone into and used. And that's fine. It is fine to have stuff in your stash. It's not that I'm hoarding it by any means. I just haven't used it. Now, as you can see, I'm using the TeePee as my main focal point. A lot of times my layouts are a little bit of both. Sometimes I make the cut file a subtle, what's the best word? A subtle way of on my layout, and then other times it's like boom, boom, you can see it, you know it's a cut file. I really truly love this layout and this style, and it was fun to zoom with a bunch of friends from the Secret Not Secret Kit Club while I was doing this. So you'll see, by the way, my hands go up and down and all the way around. Now, when I go into the next video here, you will see, unfortunately, for some reason, it started to like flutter back and forth, which is odd because that's normally not what happens in my videos. So sorry about that. But I am taking my Liquitex white paint and splattering on the outside of it just to give it a little bit of extra pizzazz because I really love how that turned out. There it goes. I am so sorry. Sorry about that. Don't know why it's doing that, and this whole time it'll do it throughout here. And I think I may have forgot to turn my phone on airplane mode, and that's what I think has done it. And I think it was because I was getting messages. So again, I am super duper sorry about that. And it happens a couple more times. So, oh my gosh, here I am going back and forth on these stinking photos, trying to figure out where I'm going to place them. And ultimately, I end up with 1 photo. And there it is. Finally, I figure it out. And whatnot. So now I'm just going through all the embellishments. I add some sushi in here. there it goes again. I am so sorry. Oh. But the photo is during the quarantine, like when it first started in March and April of this year. We were obviously, you guys know, we were home. And so what I decided to do is that I made sure that all of Kaylin's work was done in the morning. And then she had the afternoons off for some freedom of to do whatever. We bought her this tent and she absolutely loved going out there with her LOL dolls and just playing in the LOL. Playing with her LOL dolls, and it was like her downtime. So that's what it's going to be about, the journaling and just adding a little bit. Now I'm going to call this hashtag sunshine, because one, it's sunny out, two, she is fresh of breath air, you know, sunshine, whatever, however you want to take it and whatnot. So I absolutely love how this turns out and how it looks. I think it is perfect. I absolutely love, I just absolutely love this. I think it's great. And yeah, so it works out, it just works out perfect. So here I am. Now I'm taking a bunch of strings because I absolutely love this part of it. It's like I'm tying the TeePee together to make sure it doesn't fall apart. So I do a tie with a bunch of strings, and then you'll see me, I'll come in and kind of cut them and place them and glue them in certain spots just so that they're just not kind of willy-nillying it out there. And yeah, so now I'm just embellishing. Yes, I am adding some sushi onto this because I think it's just perfect for this style. Sushi has nothing to matter, but you guys know that the color matches, so you know it'll get added. And I'm just working on the strings, getting them placed up. Now I do like a 3D effect with these balloons. You'll see me come in. I have this one and then I have the sticker, and I decided with the sticker to add them together. But first I take these lantern, and at first I was gonna leave it out there, and then I was like, ooh, I can cut it and place a little bit there and place a little bit there just to add some pizzazz to this. And I think that that part turned out wonderful. That's like, outside of the TeePee and the rolling, the lights just make me just smile just a little bit more. And at first I thought I was gonna have them strung across, but then I tuck it under so it looks like they literally are kind of coming out of the TeePee versus just being on top of the TeePee. So I am working on that. I'm getting that all ready. And then that's pretty much done with that. And then I do come in, you'll see me come up with the balloons, and I work on that. I make those 3D. But first I do the few other embellishments, but I do work on that balloon set. Make sure that you go check out the Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file shop. She obviously always, Virginia, has new releases once or twice a month, depending on what she has up her sleeve, along with, obviously, at the same time, she always has freebies, so you got to check it out. The only place you're going to find them free, and then they go into the shop. After a while, she does put them into the shop, and then you have to pay for them, so you have to be part of it. All of it will be linked down below, along with this TeePee cut file. I will link that down below as well. I add some balloon shops there too. And obviously, to let you know too, until the end of the month, she will also have her design team. So make sure that you check that out. The post is on her Instagram page and also in the group, if you are wanting to do what I do. I absolutely love this team. It's super easy to work with. She's super easy. The team is always fantastic to work with. And I cannot believe it that I'm rolling and doing this now. I think she's been up for 2 years, because it was a 1 year. It's going on 2 years. Like, how many times? 1, 2. This was my 3rd time. And I may or may not be back for the 4th time. Who knows? So yeah, and that's pretty much about it. I think I'm going in with some more stars, and then I get out the enamel dots that come with this collection, and I use up all of the stars everywhere. And all of that goody stuff, and then yeah, and then that's about it. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. If you are new, I would love to have you as one of my subscribers. I'm almost to 2,300. I am trying to get to 3,000 by the end of December into January, and it would be greatly appreciated if you would share my videos with somebody. And also hit that subscribe button, because a lot of you guys, I know you're not, but you watch my videos all the time. So just hit that subscribe button. And I hope that everybody is staying safe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.